Arizona, homeowner's best friend.
We've talked through painting that room. We never really got even to the walls. Why don't you talk real quick? Once the ceiling's done, the masking tape comes down, the cotton tarps stay in place. Now I'm going to do the walls. Just talk through the rolling pattern that y'all have the most success with.
Yeah, after you've cut in kind of the tops and the edges, the corners, and at the bottoms of the walls, then you're going to roll. And typically, again, you want to make sure you got a lot of paint on your roller, and you've got a good roller cover you're using. And usually, I always start kind of in the middle of the wall, and so I can kind of go back and work through that paint that I've already put on the middle of the wall, go up and down, and you're going to go back over that area. Think maybe a 2 to 3 foot wide section, maybe a little bit wider. And you're going to go back over that, 3 or 4 times to make sure that it's all even before you go back and dip your roller in again to get more paint.
Rosie on the house, every Arizona home.